Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix vertical line on your phone screen in Android. So let's get started. First thing first to do when your Android screen has vertical lines is restart it. Restarting a device can help fix glitches as well as some lingering issues. So press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears, then tap on the restart. Now, the other one is if your phone has not been through any sort of physical damage, you can try booting into safe mode to see if the issues still persist. Safe mode allows you to boot into the Android OS with only the essentials. So now, here is how you can do it. Press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Then tap and hold the restart button. Then simply tap OK to confirm. Your phone will now boot into safe mode. If everything is fine, it hints that an app or service installed on a device is the culprit. Uninstall any recently installed apps that could be causing this issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.